Today we're going to be making a healthy spaghetti squash chicken bolognese. And these are the ingredients which we'll need, which will be listed in the comments below. First, you're going to start out by cutting the squash in half. It can be very hard. Once you get it open, then you take a little spoon and scrape out all the seeds on both halves. Clean that out. Next, you want to poke the back of the squash. Just poke some holes in there, not all the way through. Now we're going to take them and sprinkle on some salt, some freshly ground pepper. Set them onto a baking sheet and drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. And you're going to bake this for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. And turn them this way when you put it in the oven. And that goes in there. While that's baking, you're going to take your frying pan, add a little olive oil in there, and add in 2 pounds of ground chicken, and you can add a little bit of salt and pepper to this as well. Just want to cook it down, stirring occasionally, so you don't want it to stick or burn. Once that's pretty well cooked, you're going to add in your yellow pepper and diced onion and garlic, as well as peas. Follow that up with 2 cups of your favorite pasta or tomato sauce. Cook that. You can cover it as well. And then once that's done, and once your squash is ready to come out of the oven, you scrape it like this to get some of that squash ready to eat. Just gently score it with a fork. And now you're going to add in that chicken mixture to each half. Might have some extra. That's okay, it's all good. Just keep adding all that in there as high as you like. Pile it on there. And then when you're ready to plate it up, you could top it with some fresh cilantro. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.